If you're over 60 and waking up each morning feeling weaker, stiffer, or more tired than you did the day before, I want you to listen closely, because this might be the most important message you'll ever hear about your health, strength, and recovery. You see, aging itself isn't what makes your body lose power. The real problem lies in what happens, or rather what doesn't happen while you sleep. Every night, your body enters a sacred 4-hour repair window, a hidden time when your muscles rebuild, your hormones rebalance, and your cells heal from the wear and tear of the day. But for millions of seniors, that process fails silently. They wake up sore, aching, and exhausted, thinking it's just part of getting older. It's not. It's a signal. A signal that your body's natural recovery system is missing the very nutrients it needs to do its job. I'm Dr. Rhonda Patrick, a biomedical scientist specializing in nutrition and the science of aging. And after years of research, I discovered something shocking. The secret to muscle repair, energy, and pain-free mornings after 60 isn't in harder workouts or stricter diets. It's in 4 specific vitamins taken at the right time before bed. 4 nutrients that can unlock your body's ability to heal itself while you sleep. And 2 common vitamins that can silently sabotage this process. Stay with me, because by the end of this, you'll understand how one small nightly change can transform how you feel, move, and age. When I hit my 40s, I began to notice that my muscles didn't bounce back the way they used to. A light workout left me sore for days. My legs would cramp at night, and even though I went to bed early, I woke up tired. I tried eating more protein, stretching more, even switching my exercise routines, but nothing worked. Then one evening, while reviewing clinical studies on muscle recovery, I found something that changed everything. Timing. The key wasn't what I was taking, but when I was taking it. The body does its deepest repair work while we sleep, but most people load their vitamins in the morning, missing the one time when nutrients can actually rebuild. That discovery led to what I now call the 4-vitamin nightly rule, a simple yet powerful routine that fuels your body's overnight repair system. The first and most important member of this nightly team is magnesium glycinate, the foundation of recovery. Now, many people take magnesium, but they're often taking the wrong kind. The shelves are filled with forms like magnesium oxide or citrate, which can upset the stomach and do little to restore your muscles. Magnesium glycinate is different. The glycine part helps escort magnesium directly into your cells, ensuring it gets where it needs to go. Once inside, it relaxes your muscles, calms your nerves, and even lowers your core body temperature to help you drift into deep sleep. Without this foundation, your body can't release tension or activate true rest. You may sleep, but you don't recover. Magnesium glycinate changes that by giving your body the calm it craves and the minerals it needs to repair. Next comes vitamin D3 with K2, the directors. Most people associate vitamin D with sunlight, so they take it in the morning. But your muscle cells have vitamin D receptors that are most active at night. Taking D3 before bed means it reaches your muscles exactly when they're open and ready to absorb it. But there's a catch. D3 can't work properly without its partner, vitamin K2. D3 helps your body absorb calcium, while K2 tells calcium where to go, into your bones and muscles, not your arteries. Without K2, calcium can build up in places it shouldn't, leading to stiffness and even artery hardening. Together, D3 and K2 form the perfect team. D3 delivers the building blocks, and K2 directs the traffic. The result? Stronger bones, more flexible muscles, and a heart that stays healthy. And here's a bonus. Taking this duo at night also prevents D3 from interfering with your melatonin production, helping you fall asleep faster and stay asleep longer. Now we move to the quiet worker of the group, zinc picolinate. Zinc is often overlooked, but it's essential for protein synthesis and muscle repair. Without it, your body can't use the protein you eat to rebuild muscle tissue. Zinc also supports testosterone production, which plays a huge role in maintaining muscle and energy as we age. Yes, even for women. The form matters here too. Zinc picolinate is the most absorbable kind, helping your body get the maximum benefit. Take it at night, away from heavy meals, so it doesn't compete with calcium or iron for absorption. Zinc is like the craftsman who shows up late at night to repair what the day has worn down. Quietly, precisely, it rebuilds your muscle fibers while you dream. Finally, we have the supercharger, P5P, the active form of vitamin B6. Most people take regular B6, but as we age, our liver becomes less efficient at converting it into the form our body can use. P5P skips that step, arriving ready to work. It amplifies the effects of the other vitamins, supporting magnesium absorption, aiding in protein metabolism, and regulating neurotransmitters for deeper, calmer sleep. It's the final spark that keeps your repair system running smoothly through the night. Together, these four nutrients, magnesium glycinate, vitamin D3 with K2, zinc picolinate, and P5P, turn your sleep into a powerful healing session. Your muscles relax, your hormones rebalance, your cells regenerate. You don't just wake up rested, you wake up stronger. But remember, not all vitamins belong at night. Two of the most common supplements people take before bed, vitamin B12 and high-dose vitamin C, can actually sabotage your recovery. B12, though essential for energy, acts like caffeine inside your system. It wakes up your nervous system and can block melatonin production. And vitamin C, when taken in large amounts, slightly raises adrenaline and cortisol, two hormones that make your body think it's time to be alert, not asleep. So, if you're taking these at night, move them to the morning. I've seen the transformation this simple shift can bring. Let me tell you about Eleanor, a 72-year-old woman who came to me frustrated and fatigued. She walked every day, ate clean, but still felt drained. She was taking her vitamins faithfully, just all at the wrong time. Once she switched to this nightly rule, within 2 weeks, her morning stiffness disappeared. Her sleep deepened. She told me, "I feel like I've been given back 10 years." And that's what this is all about, giving you back what time is taken away. You see, recovery isn't about doing more, it's about doing it smarter. Your body is still capable of amazing things, no matter your age. It just needs the right support at the right time. So tonight, make a decision. Take control of your body's natural healing power. Try one change. Switch your magnesium, pair your D3 with K2, or simply stop taking vitamin C before bed. Feel the difference for yourself. And when you do, come back and tell us about it. Comment below with ready for action if you're ready to take that first step. Let's build a community of strong, wise, and thriving seniors who don't just age, they rise. If you found this message helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the Seniors Hub, where we bring you trusted, science-backed health tips for living stronger, longer, and healthier after 60. Remember, you are not too old to rebuild. You are simply one good night's sleep away from a stronger tomorrow.